Okay, sorry, I was on mute. Hi Naga, how are you doing?
Good of you.
Yeah, I'm pretty well. Just it's like we'll go through the demo today. Okay, then if you like it, and we can go forward. Is that fine?
Sure. Yeah.
Let me introduce myself, and then you can tell me about your experience. Then depends upon that, I can have an idea how to proceed with this content and training part. Okay. Um, okay, that's good. It's like I'm working for one of the multinational company, and I do have the 8+ years of experience into the Tableau, SQL, and Excel as well. I used to work for the totally with the US managers because of my reporting everything with the US managers, and I have built so many dashboards. And because the first is the data model, building the data models, and build so many dashboards. Worked on the everything is a live project, not nothing into the support or something. Because gathering the requirement, how we have the software development life cycle, right? The same way I have been worked, and everything now from gathering the requirement to publish the dashboard and maintaining the dashboard, everything. Okay. That's a way about myself, and can I have your intro something about that? What are you doing, and any experience?
So my name is Naga and I'm in the manual QA right now.
Okay.
I work in US.
Okay.
I'm trying to move my base to the Tableau or the BA
Okay.
and to get knowledge around it so that I can just go and start working on the BA part of it.
Okay. You stayed at US. Okay, that's good. And which location is it? You work for the
I'm
EST
in
time.
Jersey right now.
Okay. Okay.
Yeah.
Yeah, that's good. Good to hear about you.
Which part of India are you from?
I'm from Telangana.
Oh, okay. Nice.
You are from?
I'm from Andhra.
Andhra. Okay. Okay, that's fine. Okay, let me share my screen. Okay. Then we'll go to the what is a Tableau, and post content as well. Okay.
Yes. Which client are you working for?
Actually, I'm working for US. You could have heard Intuitive Surgicals.
Oh, okay. Yes. Healthcare, right?
Yeah, they are the medical device company.
Oh, okay. All right.
Yeah. Earlier, I worked for the financial clients. My 7.5, I think, 7.5 years I was with the US big gains in the financial services.
Got it. That's nice.
Yeah, okay, that's good. Might be you could have heard about the Tableau. Why the Tableau is one of the BA tool. We used to call the business intelligence tool. What is a Tableau and all? And like Tableau, we will be having the different products in the BA because one I think from 2014-15 onwards, everything came earlier that everything is under SQL, SSRS, SSIS, and SSAS because mostly it's like a reporting tool and visualization also will be doing it there. But once Tableau came, everything got changed because of Tableau is growing the market. Then Microsoft understand they are losing something. Then they came with the Power BI because earlier they have the Power Query, Power Pivot, everything. Now they came with the Power BI because right now in the market, Tableau and Power BI is the competitor. And in this course, we'll be going to discuss about the. It's like just we'll start with the basics and we'll be going to the very advanced level one by one because once you feel confident about the basics, then we can go to the next one by one step because not from beginning we'll go climb one by one step. Okay. In this demo, what we are going to discuss about the what is Tableau software, how I'm going to get the access, Tableau versus other tools, how I get started with it. Okay. First, we'll go to Tableau software. You could have seen that Salesforce has acquired the Tableau in 2019. Because earlier that Tableau was one of the independent organization, INC, but after that Salesforce is acquired. We know, right? Salesforce is one of the biggest marketing and CRM platform, because most of the 90% of sales data under with the Salesforce, apart from the Oracle side or SAP side. This Tableau was founded in 2003. This is the basic about the thing when it was found, and the motto of the Tableau, because data to the people, that is their motto to get the visualization. Earlier you could have seen the Excel, right? In Excel we'll be having the pivot tables and pivot charts. We'll be creating the charts in the Excel, everything. But everything there, it is a manual. Whenever any new data comes in, we have to update, go there, and we have to do fetch the data, and we have to change this. Any manual charts could be there. There is a reason one Tableau comes in. Until that, we don't have any flexible and easy to use of the BI tool. Everything is have to do the some manual work require, or some human person intervention is required. Most of the Tableau, Excel, or other things. But once Tableau come, because it's their interface is very easy to understand, and the calculations and parameters, their graphs, then their visualization. If you compare the Power BI graphs coloring, color coding to the Tableau color coding is looks, it's like attractive, but when it comes to the Microsoft Power BI or any other tools, you could see the some colors is a very thick. In that way, that is the reason why Tableau is popular. We don't require any coding in the Tableau, because everything is a drag and drop and some simple calculations. We could see the most of the calculation based on the if else condition. We would have been writing that if else condition from the when we are pursuing from our graduation, right? Those if else conditions. And it's like now it's like using the most of the tool in financial corporation. If I tell in the financial way, you could see the JP Morgan, they are the biggest investment gained and biggest bank, one of the biggest, and Wells Fargo and Morgan Stanley and Goldman Sachs in the financial side. But when it comes to the even healthcare side also, Novartis, Boxer, Baxter, Pfizer, so many other companies, and they're using, and even the supply chain, it's like a semiconductor side when it comes to the Intel is using, and Synoptics, because our laptop touchpads built by the Synoptics, they are using, because everyone, most of the companies, they are using the Tableau and their on-premises products, everything. And what is Tableau? How to connect to the data source? What we'll call as a Tableau Viz, combining multiple visualization into the interactive dashboard. Because we'll start with here, connecting to the data source and creating the visualizations and combining multiple visualizations, because we'll be creating the everything visualization in the worksheet. Those worksheet will be combined and we'll create the dashboard and the storyboards. That's a final work. These are simple 3 steps. It's like what we will be doing in the Tableau. Next thing is that what are the different Tableau products, because Tableau has the different products like a Tableau Desktop, Tableau Prep, Tableau Server, Tableau Online, and Tableau Mobile. Tableau Desktop, 90% of work, 90 to 95%, I can tell it's like a 95% of work we are doing in the Tableau Desktop. It is our front-end tool, development tool. We are using Tableau Desktop for 95%, because all the creating the data source and building the visualizations and publishing the dashboard, everything we'll be doing in the Tableau Desktop. And once we publish the dashboard, we create the dashboard, and we require one more platform to showcase that visualization to the end users, because we can't give Tableau Desktop license to the everyone, because my organization, I will be having the 15,000 or 20,000 employees. In that, 5,000 people are using the Tableau, but I can't give the Tableau Desktop license because it's cost per month. Tableau has the 3 different license: Creator, Explorer, and Viewer. Creator license cost it's around 1100 USD, and Explorer something about the 100. Recently they have changed 100, and Viewer is the $10 USD. Because of that, I can't give the Tableau Desktop license to everyone. Then I will publish my dashboard into the Tableau server. Every company Tableau servers, how it look like, right? For example, you are working in the ABC company, ABC slash, it's like ABC hyphen and tableau.com. It's like anything company, JP Morgan hyphen tableau.com. It should be, it's like that. They will be having the on-premises Tableau server. Otherwise, if you want to publish, you can do it in two ways. One is a Tableau server, another one is a Tableau online. Tableau online is a Tableau cloud platform. Because what is the difference between the server and online? Tableau server is on-premises server, because company has a resource, they can able to spend the money, and they know everything about the Tableau and they can maintain it. So because most of the financial service companies, what they will do, because in US it's like a, we have the four different sensitive information, right? One is SSN, one is the first name, one is the last name, one is the date of birth. These four are the very sensitive, everything. Because of that, most of the financial companies, they use a Tableau server, and they want the data to be the on premises. They don't want Tableau to manage their data source or Tableau products, anything. And if they, and this cost also, it's a little bit high. But Tableau online, and here we require in Tableau server, we require the human resources, and you require the on-premises servers, everything. But when it comes to the Tableau online, on behalf of you, Tableau will maintain your server. That's like a cloud. It's a cloud. If you publish it, you don't need to take care of anything on premises, nothing, because Tableau will take care of anything, but they will charge it something. They will charge something and they will take care of that. On Tableau mobile, nothing, means we'll be seeing the dashboards and everything on the Tableau mobile. And Tableau Prep is a Tableau one of the recent product. Not recent, it's like a Tableau last product what they have been released in 2018 or 19. This is one of the ETL tool in the Tableau, because most of the companies, they'll not use Tableau Prep, because they have their own SQL servers, Oracle servers, everything, database, everything. They will do and prepare their data model into the Tableau inside to the SQL, and just they will directly connect to the Tableau desktop. Where it's like a Tableau Prep, nobody uses. Why Tableau Prep? Tableau was fair about the Alteryx, because earlier in 2012, when Tableau got the boom in 13, 14, 15, 16, Alteryx also came with the Tableau, because Tableau will not provide the your ETL functionalities, any mappings, anything. Because of that, Alteryx can able to provide all these details. Then Tableau understand that okay, Alteryx is gaining our business using our tool. Then why can't you go ahead with our own tool? When Tableau Prep initially released, they have a lot of bugs, and actually initial 2 years they had a lot of issues. Because of that, none of the organization has gone for the Tableau Prep. Now everything is very important, is that now in this course everything we are going to in a Tableau desktop, where we'll do all the activities and all of the interview questions, everything will come from the Tableau desktop. Because Tableau server just will be publishing the our workbooks there. That's the only thing in the server or online. Mobile means, as I said, you can see the visualization in the mobile. Okay, next, as I said, that what is the Tableau desktop, Tableau public, and Tableau server. As I said, right, earlier, organization is like a desktop individual computer software license. Okay, created and edit users, and is licenses fee, and annual fee, and free license for the students and the instructors. Okay, if you have the student ID card, or if you are the instructor or something, you can go and apply in the Tableau site. You can provide your ID card as mentioned that you are the student, and then you can do it. You can download the free license, and you will get the 1 year free license for the Tableau desktop. And Tableau public, as I said, public.tableau.com. This is a free data source and access through website, not our HIPAA complement. It's like why it's like this is Tableau public means you can see in the Tableau, if you go to the public.tableau.com, you could see Tableau has a community. They have their own community, data community, and if you prepare some dashboard, you want to showcase to the public. For example, if you prepare some dashboards, different dashboards using the different activities, and tomorrow if you go to the interview and you can tell the interview, I prepared some dashboard, you can go through it and you can give that your Tableau public ID. Then they can see it, your Tableau public, because you can showcase the work you have done, the talent you have it, and the viz means visualization you have created. Then this is will give the some advantage compared to the other people, because you already, that means it will give the indication that you are very active, and you can, and you created the visualizations in that, and you showcase your talent. That will give the advantage. And Tableau server, right, as I said, this is a private hosting for the Tableau files, and Tableau dot, it's like that. Tableau on-premises servers can do the customized security, read, interact, and this one. And Tableau public means public hosting for Tableau public files, and this will be open for the everything, and Tableau will take care about their online everything. Okay. Next, how do I get access to it Tableau? As I said, it's like a right. What is your role? Just I created some visualization here because just to understand. But you don't worry about the staff or something. If you are the instructor, researcher, or student, that doesn't mean that you are only the student. It's not like that. Since you are working, right, you can take the anyone ID card of the who is pursuing the graduation and above. You can take their ID card from anywhere in the world. If you take from Andhra or India, US, or anyone is pursuing, and you can go to the Tableau site and you can give all the details about that organization and when it's starting date, and you can download that one. You will get the 1 year license. Okay, you can get the Tableau desktop license to the your email ID. Okay, and for the students, as I said, right, if you because this is I think I'm not sure this link has expired or not, but if you go to the Tableau student license of Google, you will find out what are the details to be entered.
Okay.
Yeah, how to activate license? This is the way, because once you got the Tableau, I will show it how to activate on that one. Okay, this is just don't worry about this one. I will show once we'll go into the Tableau. And why Tableau, why others? As I said, right now is a Microsoft and Tableau, because Microsoft, we know, right, everything runs under Microsoft or OS, everything. That's why. Why quick and interactive visualizations and easy to use, and performance wise is super, and mobile friendly mostly, community, because right now any tool, for example, like how we have the Google, if you type something in Google, we'll be getting the different communities, right, to solve our doubts. If you don't know anything, how do I get it something in the Tableau? Then Tableau has the specific community, and you can post your questions over there and you can get the answers. Sometimes if the someone who is referring to your question, they don't know how to interpret, they'll ask to post the workbook also. You have that facility also. You can post the workbook and you can get the answer from there. And it can interact with the different scripting languages. Can interact with the R, it can interact with the Python, and it connects to the BigQuery tools, and it supports the various data sources. Those data sources I will show you to you. Okay. And how do I get started? And now we'll go to the Tableau. Okay. I think you can't able to see the Tableau, right?
No, I can't see the screen right
Yeah,
now.
because earlier I shared one to the Tableau screen itself only. Okay, now you can able to see right now.
Yes.
Yeah, this is the how the Tableau look like. When I open the Tableau, this is the way you can see it. Okay. And as I said earlier, how we can activate the licenses, right? You can go to the help. Once you open the Tableau, you'll go to the help and manage product keys. That's it. Then it will ask the your product key. Then you can just activate. You have to just give your details. For example, if you have downloaded you gave the student license of someone, but you got the access, and here you can give your name also. That doesn't matter. Only the thing is that your license ID. Okay.
Okay.
Right now I'm using the Tableau 2020.1.3. This is one of the latest version in the Tableau. Okay. This is Tableau Desktop Professional Edition. This is how it looks like the Tableau. Once you will be having the menu in the file, data, server, and help. In the left side, you could see the Tableau servers. And what are the files? It can connect to the Microsoft Excel, text files, CSV files, JSON files, Microsoft Access, PDF. And if you want to more, if you click it, you will get the different file types. You can see that. Can you see any
Yes,
file types? Yeah. Okay, you can connect to the any file type. And next is coming to the server. It is very important. Mostly, if you by default is they will show it a Microsoft SQL, MySQL, Oracle, Amazon Redshift. And if you go to the more, you can see they have the 74 installed connectors. You can see all these. Okay. And for example, by the type, if you don't have your connection type here, you can use the ODBC and JDBC. Okay. And additional connectors also 19. Okay. These are the additional connectors. Okay. You can connect it from anywhere. Okay. These are the, you can connect to the even success factors in the Tableau, because SAP success factors now, because very since Workday come into the force, success factors is getting reduced. Even they have this one also. You can Oracle side also, you have the Oracle, you can connect to their OneDrive, OData, Oracle Elkin space, and PostgreSQL. SAP side also, you can connect SAP HANA, SAP Network Business, SAP Sybase. You can connect to the different SQLs. But most of the majority of the companies, they will be having the Microsoft SQL Server. If might be your side could be the different also. But in my career, I have worked mostly into the Microsoft SQL Server and MySQL and the Oracle. These three were predominantly I have been used. Okay, we can connect to the all these together. And now for this just a demo purpose, just I will connect to the Excel file. Okay, I'll just click on the Microsoft Excel, and I have the sample superstore. Where I got the sample superstore, that's very important. Once you uninstall the Tableau, right, what happened in a documents, Tableau automatically will create the Tableau depository. Okay, my Tableau repository. If you click on my Tableau repository and go to the data sources, Tableau data sources and 2020.1 𝐸𝐸 and sample superstore. Okay, then I will open this one. Then Tableau will go to the another window. Okay, it's loading the data. Okay, once you load the data, what happened? This page will open because our connection is a sample superstore from Microsoft Excel. For example, if I connect to the SQL server, it will connect to the here that server name and the SQL server. It will give. Okay, SQL server, Microsoft SQL or Oracle and server name. These are the tables. In Excel, we'll be having the tabs, right? Orders, people, and the returns. These are the tabs I do have. In SQL server, what it will come? It will show it in the server. It will show it as a databases. Okay. Here, another thing here, it will call the databases here. If it will be connected to the database here, and it will show the what are the tables and views and stored procedures resides under that view database. Okay. Since we connect to the orders, right? Just Excel, and what I will do, we have to drag these orders to be here. It's showing it here, right? Drag tables here. Otherwise, I can give the double click also. Just what I will do, I will do the double click. Okay, what happens? These orders will come here. Okay, you can see here it comes from order and which data source. Orders from sample superstore. Okay, and the here. Okay, down here you could see these are the columns here. What is the order and which table and a remote field. These are field names. You can see it. Okay, you can see the column headers. And if I collapse this one, these are your headers. These are the data resides underlying data of these headers. Okay, you could see all this. And here Tableau has a connection type is a live and extract. Live means, for example, stock market. You could see it, right? Stock market, everything fetched in the seconds is very important. In seconds, if you see it, everything is could be reflected in the live. That means it's directly connect to the live connection to the database. For example, database, if you change your name to Nagu to Naga, okay, something to Ram or Sita or something. If you changes database, immediately it will reflect in here. There is a live. But extract is very important here. You can see that. Can you see this? What is popping up here? I clicked on live. You can see that what is connect directly to your data. The speed of your data source will determine performance. Okay. When you go to extract, you can see import your data to the Tableau's fast data engine. What it will do, your data will import into the Tableau engine. That means it will pull your data from your data source to inside to the Tableau database engine, and it will improve the performance also. Extract is created when you click on the sheet tab. Okay, that means most of the things, 99% of the reporting will happen on the connection through extract. Nobody will connect to the live because everyone will report to the prior business day, right? Whatever happened in the business day until yesterday, they want to look at what is happening in the today. They doesn't bother because they want to look into the what is happening the prior business day. And extract is because they will use in the inside to the Tableau, and it will improve the performance when you connect to the live, right? What happens if you do some action in the Tableau, it has to go to the data source. It has to get the data from the data source. But when you do some action in the Tableau, when you click on the extract, what will happen? It will create the, because already data inside to the Tableau database engine, then it will pull the data in a very fraction of seconds. You no need to go to the database and it will to get it. Now what I will do, I will just click on the extract. Once I click the extract, right here, there's a two more options will come, edit and refresh. You can see it. Okay. See, can you see the edit and refresh game? Okay. Edit means here you can apply the filters, logical table, filter tables. Okay. You can apply this extract filters. These filters are the data source filter. You can add it. Okay. If you do that, you can do the filtering here also. Okay. I created the extract, right? I just clicked on. Now you can see it. Extract is created when you click on a sheet tab. Okay. Now extract came. Okay. Now we are going to the worksheet one. Okay. Just click on this one. See, it is asking where I can create the extract. Okay. Tableau data extract dot hyper. Okay. I will give on the save. Now it will go to the sheet. This is the inside to the tab. These we will call as a, the sheets, right? This plus is there, right? This we call as a worksheet. This is the dashboard, this plus, and this is the storyboard. Okay. This is a storyboard, this is a dashboard, this is a worksheet. Okay. Tableau, what happens? It will divide that. You can see that these are all are the blue colors, right? These all are the blue colors. ABC, globe symbol, date symbol, and this value symbol. Because Tableau has a different data types. One is a number, one is a decimal, one is the whole, one is a string, one is a date, date time. Okay. You can see it here. Okay. If I click it here, right, you can see number, decimal, whole, date, date time, date, string. Okay. These are the data types Tableau supports. These are all blue color items we will call as a discrete. Discrete means these are the immovable fields, because city means it will not move, right? City always will be the constant. That's the reason, because earlier that people in a Tableau, there is a thing called dimensions and the measures. What happens here, it will mention as a dimensions. This is all yellow colors as a measures. People, what they used to think, all blue colors is a dimensions, all green colors as a measures. But it's not like that. All blue colors as a discrete. Okay. All green colors is a continuous. Discount, it's a number. It can move, can go up, can go down. Profit, quantity, sales, same as it is. That's the reason it's all blue colors is a discrete and green colors is a continuous. This is one of the just in a sample Tableau how it look like, and we have the file, data, worksheet, dashboard, story, analysis, map, format, server, window, help. These are the menus, and these are the left side here. In the right top corner, you will be having the show me. These are the different visualizations. Can you see here? Is it? If I go here, these values will be changed. Gantt view chart, right? Now I will go to the bar. Can you see that name? Horizontal bar chart. Next is the stacked bar chart. Next is the side by side bar chart. Next is the tree map. Okay. Next is circle, side by side circle. This is the lines. Lines continuous, line discrete, line, dual lines. This is the area charts. Area chart side by side. It is a Liouville combination. This is a scattered plot. This is a histogram. This is a bullet. Okay. Box whisker plots. This is the Gantt chart. This is the bullet graph. This is the packed bubble charts. This is a pie map, maps, and this is also symbol maps. This is a text table. This is a heat map. Okay. This is the table, highlight table, because these are the default, because inbuilt charts. Apart from this inbuilt, we are going to create the manual charts also. How Tableau will support those manual charts also. Once we go into the course, we will be seeing. Okay. And just for simple purpose, just we will create the one view, then we will go to the course content, what we are going to thought in this course. Okay. Just I will do here. You can see that rows and columns, right? In Tableau, for example, I will drag this category to the rows. Okay. Just drag and drop. You can see in category I have the furniture, office supplies, technology. In that I want the sales value. Okay. The sales is there, right? The sales, I will drag this to this text. Okay. I have the text. Okay. First I will drag it to this text. Then it will show the value of the furniture, office supplies, and technology. Okay. Now you got it. Here I drag the sum of sales to this text. It is showing the numbers. Now I want to see the graph. Okay. What I will do, the sum of sales, I will drag it to the columns. What will happen? See, you could see the bar chart created. This bar chart has been created, and what happens? This will be not in the order. It's not in the ascending or descending order, and you can't see the numbers also at the end. But you can see category, furniture, sales. This we called as a tooltips. You can see it right. Whenever I am hovering there, here it is the values and technology category also changing and value also changing. First, I will do the descending order. Okay. Here you can see this is the ascending and this is the descending. Just I will click here, and now I want to see the numbers. What I can do, I can here you can there is a text label, show mark label, right? If I click on this one, I could see the values over there. Okay, you could see it. Now all is in the same color. Okay, category entire technology wise, I'm getting the total sales value. Furniture wise, I'm getting the sales value. Office supplies wise. Now in this category having the different subcategories. What it makes to the 836 technology 836, because of the different subcategory sales is making to the 836154. Okay, what I will do, the subcategory, I will drag the subcategory to the color. Okay, this color. Now you could see it 336. Okay, 330,189, this one, you can see that makes to the total value of 836. And these colors also we can arrange, we can adjust these colors. Okay, for example, what I will do, some of the color. Okay, I will go to here. Okay, edit colors. Okay, accessories, not this one, I don't want. Okay, you can select the different colors here. I'll go to the Tableau Classic 20. I think this accessories, I'll go to the this color. Okay, and appliances, I will go to the dark blue. Just we will change this to. Can you see this appliances and accessories? Both color got changed. We can arrange by our wish. Okay, we can do it in this way, and this is the way how we can do it in the this we called as earlier I showed as a bar chart. This we call as a horizontal stacked bar chart. If I want to vertical, because now it is in the horizontal, right? Vertical means just I will swap this one. So I'll swap it. You can see it, right? You can see this is the best way to view it. You can see it. We can do in this way also. Okay, I showed in the subcategory, right? Now I'll remove the subcategory. What I will do, I will get the my sales to the color. Sales color also I will change it. Okay, technology, furniture, office supplies. Okay, earlier this is the this means the tick means this has high sales. After this one, what I will do, I can go here. Okay, I can go to the edit colors, and this one I can go to the automatic orange, gold. Otherwise, have something orange, blue, diverging will go. Okay, if I apply it, you can see it. Okay, blue, this highest, you can see right here 836 is showing as a blue side, this one also this side. And if you want to reverse the colors also, you can reverse it. Okay, I clicked on the reversed, I apply it. Okay, can you see here? Then this orange has this become, okay, diverging color. This has highest sales value like this. You can do the even full color range also, you can do it. Okay, what will happens, you can see. Okay,
Sure.
this full color range, see, you can see it, this full 3 in came in the different colors. You can do the steps wise also. Okay, we have the steps, right?
Right.
Can you see? You can do by the 3 steps also. Because why we will use the steps means now here we have the only 3 dimensions, right? Only we have the 3 products, but sometimes we'll be having the 20 to 30. That time, to not to get the confused, we'll be giving the steps over here. Okay, now I can enter the 20 steps also, 15 or 12. Now I enter the 12. Okay, likewise we can change this also. This will call as a diverging one. Okay, and if you want to still if you want to buy the city wise, but city will be the hues. Okay, and I'll drag the region to the color. Can you see? Once I dragged in, that sales has been gone off, because okay, and each city wise sales also, it's showing that region wise. In west it is contributing 251, this one, this one, this one. If you want to change the chart type, okay, now I want to change this chart type, the area. Can you see? It comes to the area wise. Okay, it's came wise the area wise also. Because bigger area has a highest sales. Now Here the biggest thing is that you can't able to see you can see the technology, you can see the range. East means we don't know what is technology, we don't know. In the value also it's not showing, because in the tooltip it's showing as a technology is nobody, because everyone is the management, because senior management they will be having the 1 or 2 minutes see the just quick view of the data. Here to understand them, we should quickly understand them by using the tooltip. They can't toggle to everyone here to see the value. For that one, what we will be doing right here in the label, I will go to the label, I'll go to the here text, I'll mention it here as a category. I'll just simply write as a CATEGORY category, and just F1 and region. Okay. And next I will enter as a sum of sales. Okay. The sum of sales is not here. To get that one, what I will do, I will drag the sum of sales to this text label. Okay, because earlier I told, right, if you want to see the values, we have to drag this to the text label. Now we got the sales value, sales. Okay, I will just change this to the Calibri or something. Okay, we can change to the colors whatever you want it. Okay, now we'll keep it this way. Now can you see category, technology, region, east, and sales, how much you can see it everything. And once, since you are showing this everything here, we don't want to show in the hover, that we called as a tooltip, right? I'll go to the tooltip, I will untick the show tooltips. Then can you see it here? No, right? We can see this, because a lot of options is there in Tableau. We can do it in the data, in the present the data, represent the data in a different way. We can create the dual axis chart, we can create the donut charts, you can create the waterfall charts, Gantt charts. Okay, you can rank charts, and we'll be have the different charts. Those are the manual charts, because not here, because donut we don't have here, waterfall chart we don't have. Okay, Pareto chart. Okay, butterfly chart, because this is only the inbuilt, but manual charts will be there. There will be different manual charts is there. We can get it those by using. Okay, we can, this is how Tableau it's look like if you want to create one more thing. Okay,
Sure.
and I clicked on another sheet, I got the sheet 2. Okay, what I will do here, I will not take this one, I will take the ship mode. I'll just double click. You can double click also. Tableau automatically sends to where to go. Sometimes if you feel it, ship mode not belongs to the rows, you can drag it here. Otherwise, you can drag it here also. Okay, and ship mode is there, and ship mode profit. Okay, profit, sum of profit, we, as I told, right, if you double click here sum of profit, it will directly go to the text label. If you want to change this profit from text to, you can click it here. You can change it to the color, you can change it to the size. Okay, can change it to the detail. Okay, detail means it will not come anything. And tooltip means you can see it here, same day here in tooltip, but we want it in the color, we want it in the, okay, text label. Okay, to see this one. Okay, and you can do the category. What I will do, I'll drag the category to the filters. Now I'm using all. Okay, I'm using all, I'm applying. Okay, category, it is showing that. Now I want to see the total sales value, because now everything is here. I want to see the what is the total value. To get that total value, go to analysis, will be having the total. Okay, show grand total. Okay, column grand total. Can you see this total is 286,397. Now out of this one, I don't want to see the, I want to give the user to the option to select the ship mode. Now what I will do, I'll click on this category, what is there in filter, I will click on the show filter. Can you see here in a category, it is showing that. Now I will remove the furniture, these values will be changes here. Okay, can you see the values will be changing over there? Can you see here, there? Yeah, and some here I don't want to give in. What happens if I give it here, they'll be get confused. Now what I will do, I will manipulate my filter, okay, to the drop down. Okay, now we can see the space, we got the some space, and I will do the customization of this filter. I will give the apply button. Okay, now what I will do, I will untick all, I will select the only furniture, and then I will apply. Now I got the sales of the furniture. Now untick this one, and I will tick on this office supplies and technology. Now you can see, now untick this one, I will give the furniture also to be here. You can, because we have the filters, we can do, then filters will give the user interactivity. They can change, they can see the whatever they want it, because this is one of the option, and dashboards and storyboards also there. And now we will quickly go to the what is there in the this course content. Okay, because as they have could have been mentioned, this is a 45 days and daily is a 1 hour per session. Okay. Okay, timing session timings we can discuss it. What is your comfortable time, even my comfortable time also. Okay, if
Sure.
everything works. Okay, and this will be showing what is the database, data warehousing. Okay, database evaluation types, what is it, like a wall app, what is the online analytic transactions, online transaction processing. Okay, because right now it's a transactions means it's mostly into the financial data or what is happening. The transaction data analytics means it's like some data already there. We'll be doing what is the dimension tables and the fact tables, how we'll get schemas, right? Star schema and snowflake schema, uh, everything. And business intelligence, what are the, just now what I told, right? Business intelligence and visual intelligence, that one, why it is Tableau, history of the Tableau, and Tableau versions. Right now, as I said earlier, right, if I go to the help menu, I could be finding out the my what is my version. This is a 2020.1.3, because this 3 is not a worry. 2020.13 means there's a maintenance version. Whenever they did some enhancement, something, they'll give it as a version. But everything about is a 2020.123. It's like that. What is the different versions? And I said you right in the contents: Tableau desktop server, reader, online, public. These are the
Right.
products. And types of extensions, live and extract is there, right? I told you Tableau, it's a different types. And Tableau file types, difference between TWB and TWB extensions. What is TWB means? If I go here, I'll go to the save as, right? It will ask the save as type .twb and .twbx. What is the difference between TWB and TWBX? Okay, this because this is one of the basic questions they will ask most of the interviews. Sometimes people, they don't know Tableau, right? They will comes to the interview panel. They will, what is Google do? They will go to Google, they will type most of the things. I have faced this question so many times. They will, what is the Tableau questions? First question will come, what is the difference between the tab TWB and TWBX? Okay. Yeah. And dashboards, I told you, dashboards and workbook and sheets and worksheets. Okay. And stories, I told you, right? What we have, the workbooks, these we call sheet, this we call as sheets, worksheets and sheets. This is a dashboard, this is the stories. That's what they have mentioned here. And dashboard alignments. Okay, dashboard components, what they have mentioned, these are the horizontal, vertical, text, image. These are the components in the dashboard. Okay, blank, download extension as data. That's what they have mentioned here.
Right.
Text component, blank. Data connection types. Okay, extract, I told you, like live data connections and extract connections. That's what. And how we'll do the joinings. They joinings in the Tableau means we'll go to the data source here, right? I will go to join. Okay, what I will do, I will open this one. Okay, I will try to join through the returns. Okay, what happens, it automatically will create the join. If you not mention anything, it automatically will take the inner join, right? Then what I will do, I'll try to change it to the left join. Okay,
Right.
these are the, we can do the joins also in Tableau. Okay, how we can do same, because it's there is nothing difference between the SQL joins or Tableau joins. Something, data refresh schedules. Okay, data blending. Data blending means, for example, we are connecting to the two databases. For example, one is my Microsoft SQL servers and another is the Oracle SQL server. Otherwise, it could be the Excel or it could be the CSV, any other server. What happens if you trying to, because one table there in the Microsoft SQL, another table there in the Oracle, but you want to do the joining in the both. In a normal SQL things, we can't, it can't able to possible, right? We can't join the data table from one database to the join to the another data source itself only, another data source, another table. But in Tableau, that concept we call as a blending. There is a nothing difference. For example, we have the orders here, right? If you want to add it here, add the new data source, we will be doing that. This is one of the concept. And after later, what Tableau introduced, there is a cross database join they have been introduced. Like how I did the joining here, right? Just they
Right.
introduced, we'll be connecting two data sources here. We'll be getting two tables and we will drag one table from one data source here, another table from the another data to be here. That's it. They have introduced. But there is a limitations in the both in the Tableau data blending and both together. Okay. And difference between the joining and blending, what they have mentioned. And earlier I said, right, what are the different charts? Line, single line, dual line charts, blended. These are the different charts in the Tableau. Maps also. You have the maps option also in the Tableau. How we'll create the maps, geo-filled maps, external maps, okay? And filters and types. I showed you, right? That is a quick filter earlier here in the Tableau. I have been showcased here. It will create the extract, one more extract here because I just added this written, right? These are the filters, okay? This is the one filter. Here I showed you, right? This is the extract filter. This is the data source filter, okay? And this is a dimension filter. Okay, dimension filter means from here we are getting, if you get it from here in the anything this here, this is a measure filter. Likewise, we will be having the context filter also. If you click here, add to context means it will convert to the context. That's what they have mentioned here. Okay, different filters, filters on dimensions, wildcard filters, filters on measures, context filters, global filters, quick filters, data source filters. Okay, and parameters. In parameters, we can in Tableau like SSRS, right? In a Tableau also we can pass the parameters also. Okay, if you want to create a parameter, you can go it here, click it and create a parameter. This one. Otherwise, you can go to the analysis. Okay, we will be having the creating the parameter also one more here. Okay, creating the parameter one more here. And if you want to create the parameter in the any particular field, you can go here, click on create and parameter here. You can create the sets, groups also, bins in the here also. Discount. If you go to create, you could see the bin. You can't see the sets over there. Okay, using the parameters, because parameters is one of the important concepts in the entire Tableau. As compared to the filters, parameters works very fast and it will give the user to do whatever they want it in the end user perspective view. Okay, it's very important and it's very easy also. It's nothing much. Okay, and as I said, you groups and sets, right? This is what group sets and calculation fields. Here we'll be having the string calculations and date calculations, boolean calculations. Okay, table calculations also. This running sum is right, window sum, running sum. These are the last index. Everything is in the table calculations. Okay, date as is. Okay, and what is a trend analysis? Trend, logarithmic model, exponential model, linear model. These are the statistical concepts in the Tableau. But this will go at the end because initially we don't require. Where we can see in the Tableau those, right? If you go to analytics here, right? Here you could see the data. Here is analytics, right? You can see constant, average, median with quartiles, box plot, totals, average line, clusters, reference line, reference band, distribution. These are the analytics over there in the Tableau.
Okay, I think I got an idea of what we are going to deal with.
Yeah.
Okay. Let's talk about the timings. Okay. Because I just want to get this started ASAP.
Okay.
So let's talk about timings. What is the best timing that we two can meet?
Might be which timings works for you.
This time works for me every day. If
Okay.
that is okay with you.
This timing, okay, that's fine for me. But do you have any other timings? Might be then I can think on that one and we can go
See,
ahead.
I have this timings. Okay, there is a time span of from 7 to 9 a.m. EST.
Okay.
And 6 to 10 p.m. EST.
6 to 10 p.m. EST, 7 to 9 a.m. EST. 6 to 10 p.m. EST.
Yes.
Okay, okay. 6 to 10 means
Eastern
it's like
time.
a 9.5 hours difference, right?
Yes.
Yeah, 6 to 10. Okay. Might be what? Anything is it's a morning is nothing possible, right?
Morning, I told you, right? 7 to 9 in the morning. 7 to 9
No.
p.m.
7 to 9
EST. So that will
a.m.
be like your evening.
Evening. Yeah.
Okay. When I say 6 to 10 p.m. in the night, that will be your morning time. So you have a wide, like a very big span of time in the morning of yours.
Yeah. 6 to 9, right? Morning.
Yes.
6 to 9 EST means if you, what about the 8 a.m. EST? What is my time here? It's like a 9, sorry, 6 to 10 p.m. EST, as you said.
Well, give me a sec. While I'll open one online calendar where we can map
Yeah,
it.
yeah, exactly.
Let me do that.
You can open and share your screen. Then
Yeah, I can share my screen. Okay. Can see my screen.
yes.
So it's 8 a.m. You're talking about 8 a.m. IST?
Yeah.
Okay, 8 a.m. IST. Then let's hit this one. So it means 4:11 p.m. our time.
Okay. 11 is not possible, right? You until 10, it can be possible for you.
Okay, I mean, if that's the only time available, I can do, but I don't prefer because by that
Yeah.
time, my my
E-
mind can't take.
Exactly. I can understand it.
It's like 11 sleeping time.
Okay. If you, what happened, it's like a morning 6 to 8 a.m., right? 6 to 9 a.m. EST.
Yeah, so that will be 6 to 9 minutes. It's the 5:30.
4, 3:30, 4. Okay. 8 a.m. EST means
Your time 5:30.
5:30. What about the 6 a.m. EST is fine for you?
6 a.m. EST.
Is that
It's
my
like
time?
3:30.
Yeah.
3:30 for you. Is it okay?
Yeah, fine. Because
I thought you
this,
would be working.
yeah, it's I will be working, but this works not in a hurry. 3:30 to 4:30 we can keep it. Is that
3:30 to
yeah,
4:30. Oh, good. That's fine. It's like 6 to 7 to me.
yeah,
Yeah, that's fine.
yeah.
Mm,
Then because after 4:30 means I could be going out or might be I'll be having the meetings because those people will be logging, right?
yeah.
That's the reason. I used to work
Uh,
for CST and PST also support them. Yeah.
okay. So how about like let's do can you do 8 a.m.
8 a.m. Okay.
your time? 8 a.m. to 9 a.m.
Yeah, okay, no worries. That works.
So that will be 10:30 to 11:30 for me, but I can manage.
But you yeah, it's only for your convenience, how you will feel it.
Yeah, I will get used to it. I generally be here for till 10 o'clock, so 1 hour more should not be a problem.
Okay.
Okay, so 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. your morning, so the 10:30 to 11:30 my night.
Yes,
Sounds
exactly.
good. Yeah.
You
And
can
I'll talk to them.
yeah, you can talk to them. Maybe they will send a series of schedules for
Yes.
45 days. And what about you will be working on it's like weekends? Weekends is fine or
No, daily, right?
daily you want it? Okay, because few people they used to ask they want only 5 days weekends. They
Mm,
don't want
mm.
it.
Oh, in the weekend you're asking me.
Yeah.
I mean, I just want to finish this as soon as possible. So if you want to take couple of hours in the weekend, I can do that and we can finish up as fast.
So no, okay, sure, definitely we can do it because it's like your convenience. Weekend means because you'll be having free time, then even I will be having. That's not
Yeah.
a
So
yeah, we can
we
finish it because since you are asking, you can see that as soon as possible, right?
yes, and I want like see that the main concept of me coming to a trainer and learning is right.
Yeah,
I don't have the real time experience of how Tableau will be. So I
you
want
have yeah,
I want few questions so that I can tackle and understand how things work in the real time.
definitely we'll go in that way itself only because everything is a practical. There is no theory concept in the Tableau because everything is in the practical way. We'll
Okay,
be doing,
that's
and I will be saying the what could be the interview questions also because I used to take the interviews to the L1, L2 rounds, and I used to give interviews also because
yes.
to check my knowledge. And every year I used to just throw my resume and just to what is happening in the market to understand that one.
Okay,
That is the
okay.
reason. Like that way, I will be doing. Then I will tell whenever the topic is I'm discussing topic, I will tell what are the questions you could face in the interview.
Good. Sounds
That
good.
is also, oh, I can say, might be you can talk to them. Okay.
Sure.
And
So in the meantime, to build my resume and things, do you have a LinkedIn profile? that I can add?
Might be, I think you have to reach out to these people,
Okay,
institute
sure.
ones. Yeah, that
Yes,
is the
yes.
reason. Yeah,
Yeah, yeah.
you can reach out
That's
to
okay.
through them.
I'll
Okay.
talk to them. Yes,
Yeah.
sounds good then.
Yeah, yeah. That's great. Yeah. You have any doubts, you can reach out to them. They will be reach
Sure,
outing
sure.
us, and you can confirm the timing with them. Then they will be scheduling, and they will be reaching out to me as well. Okay.
Yes, yes.
And
I'll talk to them.
yeah.
Perfect.
And just one question: do you know the SQL part? SQL. Yeah.
Yes, I do know the SQL part.
Then it will be easy for you. No need to worry about Tableau thing. Okay. Then you can able to grab it.
I mean, when I say SQL plot, I am not a developer, but I know like joins, things like basic queries that we need
That's
to
fine.
fetch the data.
You
Yeah.
know, write to subqueries and conditions where
Yes.
groups and joinings, right?
Yes.
There's nothing not into the stored procedure. I am not going to the stored procedure or something.
Like
Just is
triggers and some things, that's something I don't know.
not in the triggers also.
Yeah.
Okay. And
Yes.
that will be great actually, because you can understand if you people knows the SQL and Excel.
Mhm.
That's very
Yes.
easy. Excel if conditions, what will write it, right? That is only will be writing if
Yes, I know.
conditions over here. And date
Okay.
calculations, everything from the SQL. Because there is no difference in that SQL, SQL, and Tableau. Everything is the same. Okay. Then you
Oh,
can
okay.
able to
That's
learn
good.
it easily.
Yeah.
Okay.
I do what, see, I just don't want to throw a much, like too much knowledge that, I mean,
Yeah.
I have few knowledge. I am an automation developer, but I am just done with this automation thing.
Okay.
So I don't want to move into Java, but I want to do something.
I can
Right.
understand.
So that's why I chose. So I do Java. I do
Okay.
Java and SQL.
Okay. That's fine. Okay. That's great. Good to hear.
Yeah.
Yeah.
So don't think that I know much.
Yeah, no,
Teach
no,
me
no.
that
It's
I
not
have
like that. I
nothing to.
will go through everything is it, and I will say everything in the layman language.
Yeah.
Okay, I'll say everything in the layman language, and it's like a one by step, as I said initially, right? Starting of our intro, we will
Yes.
go achieve the one by step. Okay,
Yes. Thank you.
that will go by the. It's like a agile methodology. I can say sprint.
Hmm.
Okay,
Yeah.
okay. Then you'll understand that way better. Okay, that's it. It's a nice to talk with you, and
Nice to talk to you.
institute people they will be reaching out to you. Okay.
Yes, I'll talk to
Yeah.
them. Thank
Yeah.
you.
Thank you. Have a good day. Take care. Bye bye.
You too. Bye.